For homeowners in Deltona, ensuring home security is a top priority. One of the most effective ways to protect your home and family is by replacing outdated or weak doors with professionally installed, high-security options. Many homeowners overlook the importance of a strong, well-installed door, but it serves as your first line of defense against potential intruders. Here's how professional door replacement in Deltona can significantly enhance your home's security. Reinforced materials for maximum protection. Not all doors offer the same level of security. Many older doors are made from thin wood or outdated materials, making them vulnerable to forced entry. Professional door replacement services provide access to stronger, more durable materials, such as steel doors, highly resistant to break-ins, impact damage, and extreme weather. Fiberglass doors offers excellent insulation, durability, and resistance to warping or cracking. Solid wood doors provide strength and aesthetic appeal, though requires regular maintenance. Choosing a high-quality, impact-resistant door ensures that intruders will have a much harder time gaining entry to your home. Advanced locking systems for enhanced security. A strong door is only as good as its locking mechanism. Many older doors come with standard locks that burglars can easily bypass. With professional door replacement, homeowners can upgrade to advanced security locks, including multi-point locking systems that secure the door at multiple points, heavy-duty deadbolts with reinforced strike plates, keyless smart locks that allow homeowners to lock and unlock doors remotely. These features make it much more difficult for intruders to gain entry, offering peace of mind to Deltona homeowners. Reinforced door frames and hinges. Even if you have a strong door, a weak frame can still be a security risk. Professional door installers ensure that the door frame is just as secure as the door itself by reinforcing the strike plate to prevent kick-ins, installing security hinges with hidden or non-removable pins, using stronger materials for the door frame, preventing warping and breakage. By reinforcing both the door and its frame, you significantly reduce the chances of forced entry. Improved weather resistance for long-term protection. Deltona's weather conditions, heavy rain, strong winds, and high humidity, can weaken traditional doors over time. A professional door replacement ensures that you get a weather-resistant door that protects your home from water damage that can cause warping, swelling, and rot, wind and storm impacts, ensuring the door remains intact during severe weather, mold and pest infestations, which can occur due to moisture damage. Weatherproof doors not only provide long-lasting security but also reduce future repair and maintenance costs. Energy efficiency and additional security benefits. Many modern security doors also offer energy-saving features, including better insulation to reduce heat loss in winter and keep your home cool in summer, tighter seals to eliminate drafts and prevent moisture buildup, soundproofing benefits to block out external noise and increase home privacy. These features not only enhance security but also provide added comfort and savings on energy bills. Smart door technology for modern security. Professional door replacement services allow homeowners to integrate smart home security features. Some modern options include Video doorbells with motion detection and real-time alerts. Smart locks that allow remote access and password-protected entry. Automatic security lighting that activates when motion is detected near the door. With these smart features, you can monitor and control who enters your home, even when you're not there. Deter criminals with a secure and well-maintained door. Burglars often target homes with weak entry points. A professionally installed, high-quality door sends a clear message that your home is well secured. Criminals are less likely to attempt break-ins when they see solid, reinforced doors that can't be easily kicked in. Visible security upgrades, such as smart locks and video surveillance. Properly maintained and sealed doors, eliminating vulnerabilities. A strong, modern entryway is a simple but effective way to deter potential intruders. Professional installation ensures long-term security. While some homeowners attempt DIY door replacements, improper installation can lead to misaligned locks and gaps that make forced entry easier. Weak hinges and frames that compromise security. Inadequate weather sealing, reducing durability. By hiring a professional door replacement company in Deltona, you ensure expert measurement and secure fitting. Proper alignment and sealing for maximum durability. Compliance with local building and security codes. Professional installation guarantees that your door performs optimally for years to come. Final thoughts. Upgrade your home security with professional door replacement in Deltona. If you're looking to enhance your home's security, durability, and energy efficiency, investing in a professionally installed door is one of the best decisions you can make. From stronger materials and advanced locks to smart security features and weather resistance, a new door provides long-term protection and peace of mind. Don't wait until security becomes an issue. Upgrade your door today with the help of trusted Deltona door replacement professionals and keep your home safe and secure for years to come.